The United States Census 2020 survey is due by law April 1st, which is tomorrow. I just took the test, the survey. You know what part got to me? When I got to the part that I said, I'm white. I said, but what are you? You English? I had all this other stuff on it, and I said, American. That's right. Gigi didn't know I did that. And she was walking by, and I said, what is you? She goes, what are you doing? I said, I'm filling out that census. And I said, it's asking what you are. And she says, I'm white. And I said, I know you are, but you have to be specific. She goes, American. That's right, baby. They accepted it. It only took a few minutes, and it wasn't hard, it wasn't difficult. I think I passed because it went away. All right. I'm just here to tell you, this is a public service to tell you, you better freaking go in there and do it because it's due by tomorrow, and it's a law. You'll get in trouble. I hope y'all have a fantastic day. I know y'all get huddled inside. Gigi and I got to go to work every day. Yeah. We're having pot pie. You should see the pot pies she makes. Homemade pot pie. And then she puts that crust over the top of it. And then she takes a cookie cutter. And she cuts out dough and puts little stars and stuff on there. I told her she needs to use my Texas cookie cutter and put that sucker right in the middle. Don't forget, America. Not just America strong, not just Texas strong, America strong, world strong. We're going to get it all through this, y'all. We sure are. I'll see all y'all, my friends. I'll see all y'all in about 7 months, okay? Because there's going to be a baby boom in 8 months. Yeah. It's Papa Texas. See ya.